Welcome back to Zackus. We're so glad you joined us for another video. We've got a really quick, cool video just to show you some decal for your MacBook Pro. So I got a decal for my MacBook Pro, and I just wanted to shoot a really quick and dirty video because I needed to get it on really fast. And I just wanted to let you guys see how it is, how easy it is to put on, how it looks when it goes on, because I was looking all over Amazon and other places for one, and I never could really find what does it really look like when it's on, and how easily does it go on, and stuff like that. So I've had it on for about 2 weeks now, and it feels really good, and it looks really good. It has a few air bubbles, hear that? Because they didn't send a card in it like they said they would. When I wrote them, they said, hey, you just use a credit card or something, which I thought was a little cheapo. You know, send a card with it to kind of work those AirPods out, or air buckets out, or whatever you call them. It's not perfect. You can see around the edges here, it has a slit here, which I don't know why. And there's still some of it uncovered, which I thought it would be kind of like custom, where it looked like it went to the edge. So I'm a little disappointed about that, but overall it looks really cool. It's definitely different, and it works. You know, it keeps me from scratching my computers together when I'm carrying 2 Macs and stuff like that. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and thank you if you are. We really appreciate you being part of our family and watching our videos and liking our stuff. It really is appreciated, and we hope that we help you and enrich your lives. And thanks for watching this really quick video. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will catch you in the next Zacchus video. Peace. Thank you.